Hello everyone, welcome to Can Coffee. Here we have a Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the boiler gasket inside the machine. It was leaking all over the place. We also reaccommodated the water pump because whenever we were activating the water pump, it was just basically making a big noise in there. So yeah, that's all we did to the espresso machine. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings for this machine, otherwise we're gonna sit with coffee. And as you can see, I might have picked up not the perfect grind settings. It's pulling really fast. It's not gonna give you any crema at all, unfortunately. But as you can see, the machine is at pressure. It's no longer heating, so it's actually working perfectly fine. After this, we're gonna test the steamer. Now for the steamer, it's gonna take a while. Yeah, there's no crema or anything like that. The grind that I choose for this is basically a little bit coarse. Or it could be that it's all coffee. We haven't really had any fresh coffee in a while as well. So it could be one of those two. Whenever you don't have fresh coffee, you need to grind a little bit more finer to kind of compensate and get that extra layer of crema. But it's best to just replace the coffee and just get a fresh coffee. You can. That should be enough for it. Yes, give it a few more seconds. A few more seconds will do enough. And as you can see, now we're having excellent pressure on the machine. No leaks or anything like that, working perfectly fine. Especially when we close it, and that pressure is inside the boiler. So the boiler gasket is no longer leaking. So thank you for preparing my content coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.